Exploring the term bus stop, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very common term you'll encounter in daily English, bus stop. Whether you're in a city, a small town, or even watching a movie, this term is everywhere. So, let's dive in and understand it thoroughly. A bus stop is a designated place where buses stop for passengers to board or alight. It's a simple concept, but essential in urban transportation. These stops can be found on various streets, often marked by a sign with the words, bus stop, or symbols representing a bus. They serve as a crucial point of connection between the bus service and the passengers. Most bus stops have a few common features. A sign. This identifies the location as a bus stop. Shelter. Many have a shelter to protect passengers from rain or sun. Seating. Benches are often provided for waiting passengers. Information board. Timetables, route maps, and sometimes digital displays showing real-time bus arrivals. Accessibility. Modern bus stops are designed to be accessible to everyone, including those with disabilities. 1. Locating a bus stop. Look for the sign or shelter. 2. Waiting for the bus. Arrive a few minutes early, and wait near the sign. 3. Boarding the bus. When the bus arrives, let passengers alight first before you board. 4. Alighting at your destination. Press the stop button before your stop arrives and wait for the bus to come to a complete stop before alighting. In different parts of the world, bus stops can have local variations. Design varies from simple poles with a sign to elaborate structures. Names. In some places, it might be referred to with local terms. Functionality. In rural areas, bus stops may be less formal, sometimes just a recognized spot along a route without a sign. I hope this video has shed light on what a bus stop is and how it functions in daily life. Remember, it's more than just a place to catch a bus. It's a small, yet significant part of urban infrastructure and culture. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!